This video will guide you through the installation of your new Simplyput Double-Tier Pull-Out Baskets with soft close. This installation requires a drill, Phillips head screwdriver, and a tape measure. First, make sure that all required parts are included in the package. Now, fully extend your slides. The left-hand slides have these small tabs, and the right-hand slides have these larger recessed hooks. Mount one left-hand slide and one right-hand slide to the bottom slide mounting holes of the upright brackets, using 8 of the number 6 slide mounting screws. Be sure that the tabs and hooks are facing upward once the slides are mounted. Now, attach the upper slides using the remaining 8 number 6 slide mounting screws. Next, attach the rear slide brackets to the upper slides by pushing the brackets firmly onto the slides. No brackets are needed for the lower slides. Place the assembly into your cabinet on the side opposite the cabinet door hinges. Now, make sure that the frontmost edges of the slides are flush with the cabinet opening. While holding the assembly in place, extend the upper drawer slide, then push it back until this mounting hole is accessible. Install a single number 6 1/2-inch wood screw. Ensure that the upright brackets are parallel to the front of the cabinet. Then attach the assembly to the cabinet using 4 of the number 8 3/4-inch wood screws. Push the rear slide brackets back until they are against the back of the cabinet. Then attach the brackets to the back of the cabinet using 3 of the number 6 1/2-inch wood screws for each bracket. To install the baskets, fully extend the lower slides. Place the tabs of the left slide through these slots on the wire basket. Next, push the right side of the basket down into the hooks on the right slide. Repeat this process to install the upper basket. The final step is to install the cross brace. Using 2 of the number 6 screws, install the cross brace to both upright brackets directly below the upper basket slides. Next, load up your soft closing double-tier pull-out baskets, slide and close.